this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and we have got another Charlie's Nail Art Supply haul here. I know, I just keep buying and buying and buying, but I'm sharing it, so I'm going to share it in my giveaways. We got one going on now, and I'll be having a couple more before summer's over, maybe even into the fall. This one, according to... This is like the mother load of hauls from Charlie's, I think. Let me find my note. Hello, Cherie. Many thanks for your order. We hope you are happy with all your nail art goodies. We look forward to seeing your beautiful nail designs. Charlie. Love, love, love these. So, I'm just going to slowly start pulling things out. I do not remember what I ordered. As you know, I buy to share. So, we've got some AB crystals. These are the large teardrop. Look how pretty those are. So, we're going to put those over there. We have got, from what I can see right off the rip, let's see, what are these? Sexy lady sequins. Oh, I can't wait to use these. It's so funny. I'll be keeping those. We have got some Fimos. These are the same. They are fruit. Keeping those, of course. These are angels. Thought they were bells at first, but after close examination, they are angels. Oh, we've got the glasses. We've got the glasses. Love. Oh. Got another pack of them. See what we got here. Oh, these are the chocolate bars. God knows I love my chocolate. And these are bows with a little gem in the center. Can't remember what to call these. Barbie bows, maybe? I can't remember. These are the pink, like, zebra. We've got more Fimos here. These are, I think, like sweets. See, cupcakes. This is a fall scene water decal. We got some chain. Oh, my chain's leaking out of the package here. We got some chain going on. Okay, we've got more crystals. We've already seen one package of these. Okay, right here we have got a set. Whoops. Of the zebra bows. I'll be keeping both of those. Here's another set of these bows. These are super cute. Where did I put them? Here we go. No, that ain't it. Here we go. We have got yellow bows with a hint of red. More angels. Those I might share, I'm not sure. This is Easter water decals. Those are super cute. More Fimos of the sweets. Same as the yellow bow I just showed you. Where are they? Right here. We've got, oh, skeleton hands. Can't wait to use those. More chain. Just I thought I was going to run out. We've got, oh, I wish I could write down the names of these and remember. These bows are super cute. Got more spiders. Love those. We have got seashells here. They are multicolored, pink, white, and blue. They are iridescent, shiny, opal white. I'll put those in the giveaway. Ooh. Snowflakes. Love those. Let me put those here. I want to make sure you can see everything. We got blue netting. I might already have the blue, I'm not certain. Okay, we have got some water decals. We have got bats. 2 sets of bats, so I'll be sharing one of those. I'm going to set those aside in the shells, since I'll be sharing those. We have got 2 Halloween prints here, so I'll be sharing one of these. We have got, I ordered 2 of everything. These are Christmas. Or Santa Claus. I'll be sharing those as well. And the Easter. Those are super cute. Super, super cute. We have got more crosses. I think I already have these, I do believe. This is the Sweethearts. And these are hearts, of course. And they are super cute. They are like a teal, purple, and white. Another pack of Sexy Lady sequins. These will go in the giveaway. Let's see, what do I have? These, I believe, are diamond rings. Oh, these are beautiful. These are AB crystals, but they have the silver backing to them. I'm not sure how. I know they're called something else, but I can't remember. Another set of them. Another set of skeleton hands. More diamond rings. I'll put these in the giveaway. We have got more chocolate. Spiders. I think these ones I'll put in the giveaway because I already have, I think, 3 of these. I'll put these ones in the giveaway and share those with someone else. Alrighty. I have got, let me see, what are these? More skeleton hands. I don't know if I'll part with those yet. Here is foil. These are, this is the blue and gold, like blue, gold, and copper, like, seems 3 colors. And this is a copperish gold, copper and gold. Okay, it's my PR package, let me see. More spiders. Snowflakes. I'll put these in the giveaway. My last order I had these and I thought they were baby bottles that said love on them. To my own correction, they are love potions. Look how cute those are. Those are going in the giveaway. We have, let me see, we got more bows. More love potions. These ones I'll keep. Let me organize this just a little bit. Aww. We have 3 packages of Christmas trees. These are so adorable and they're glittery. I'm sorry, but I'm keeping those. We have got some hollow butterflies. I do have a package of these. Oh, I hate to part with them, but I think I'm gonna have to. Oh! Let me see, what are these? These are the skeleton's rib cages. So I'll be keeping those. I have got, let me see. These are multicolored bows. These are adorable. These are Fimos. I just can't make out what they are though. Easter eggs. These are Easter eggs. So I'm going to put one in the giveaway and keep two for myself. And then the last we have are bows, which are repeats from up here in the mix. These are our last 4 items, and then we will go on to my PR package. These are bows, 4 different patterns. This was a mother load of everything, because look at, let me show you. All of this is for the giveaway. I want to drop anything so I'll get mixed up. We got sexy ladies and snowflakes and hollow butterflies and love potions. Water decals. So, I have got a PR package also included in my order. Let me see what do we... Oh, look at the butterflies. Look at that. Put those down here. I don't want to get these mixed up. Ooh, those are cool. We have got Aqua Mylar. That's beautiful. Love this color. Aqua's my birthstone. Okay, we have got some Fimos. These are flowers. Oh, that's beautiful. This is fruit punch mix. I don't have this. That is beautiful. Thank you for picking this for me. I told her, I'm like, just surprise me. Just surprise me. Here we have... Oh, these are seashells. Oh, those are too cool. Oh, look at these bows. Love these. These are just seem like they're just a little bit bigger. Maybe that. Yeah, they are. It's a little bit bigger than the traditional ones that Charlie's has. And last but not least, ooh, look at the bling. So beautiful. So that was my PR package right here for the month of July. Cannot wait to get on me a manicure for Charlie's products. Whoops. I doubt you can see this stuff here, but whatever. Well, this is the end of my haul. This was a mother load of hauls. Hope you enjoyed... Hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did buying it and showing it to you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell. Once you do, click all. That way you get notified of all future uploads. I upload 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So keep a lookout for our next video and have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.